Alright guys, so this wig does come from Hairvivi. In the box you do get some clips, you get a comb, and also you get the wig, of course. Alright, so the wig does come in this long bag, which is good. The packaging is really nice, okay? So this is what the wig looks like completely out of the box and out of the bag, okay? I have not done anything to it. It still has the net around it, actually, okay? And it does come with little tissue paper on the inside, okay? So the packaging is great. So I am going to give them an A+ for packaging because I feel like they really do care about how the wig looks and how it's shipped to you, all right? So it does come with the built-in fake scalp, all right? That is the I think it's called the wear-proof fake scalp, so you don't have to worry about it like ripping or tearing. You do get an adjustable bra strap type of adjustable strap in there, okay? So that's good for small heads, big heads, all different size heads. You get clips, you get adjustable cap, and you get combs, okay? So you have everything to wear this wig glueless. You absolutely don't have to wear glue. You don't have to apply glue. You don't have to apply gel, all right? Because a lot of people are like, I do not want to apply glue. I don't want to apply gel. I want to wear this glueless, completely glueless, all right? So you can definitely wear this wig completely glueless, considering everything that comes with the wig. Like I said, the elastic band, the adjustable cap, and also the combs, all right? So I'm just going in and I'm cutting the lace off. I'm not doing anything special here, guys. I'm just cutting, and I always leave just a little bit of lace on. That's just my personal preference. As you guys can see how good it looks without me even putting anything on it, and the wig does come with pre-made baby hair, so you don't have to worry about freestyling those baby hairs and balding your frontal and all that stuff like that. So I'm just going in with these olive oil products to hold my wig down. I just like my wig to be a little bit more secure. It is secure, but I just like a little bit extra security. And this particular day, it was raining and windy. So I was like, hey, yeah, I need to hold this down, okay? So as you guys can see, I'm just going in and styling it. It's not really styling it. Just from it being in that box, it has like a dent in it. So that's all I'm doing. So anyways, guys, stay tuned for my in-depth review. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so you guys have pretty much already seen me style this wig. This wig pretty much already came styled. There wasn't like a lot that I had to do with it. You guys already know how Hairvivi wigs come. They're pretty much out the box, ready to go, okay? This wig just really has me baffled. Like, it's kind of like I just scalped somebody, just took their scalp and put it on my head. You know what I'm saying? Like, this wig is popping. It's very cute. It's chic. It's just really nice. Let me show you guys some close-ups of what the hairline looks like and also the parting space. So as you guys can see, the parting space is super deep. This wig already came styled, okay guys? I didn't do anything to this, nothing to this. I cut the lace off and I flat ironed it a little bit because it was in that box and it had a few dents in it, and that is pretty much it. The wig is of a really good length. It comes at the bottom of my boobs. I am 5'7". I will have all the specs and everything down below, okay? I will also have pictures of people who have had this hairstyle before. There is a famous hairstylist by the name of Erin. He also he has done some of his models hair like this as well. Like I said, I'll have some pictures somewhere up in here so you guys can see. So this hairstyle kind of mimics that. So the wig did come with baby hairs. I didn't really just lay them. I left them kind of sparse because I feel like it helps the wig look even more natural, okay? But you could go in if you wanted to and just slick those down with some gel or jam or whatever you like to use, okay? So I did go in with a little bit of olive oil spray and some olive oil gel to hold down the wig. That is an option for you. The wig does come with an adjustable cap and also an adjustable elastic band in it, all right? So you absolutely don't have to do that if you don't want to. I do want to mention something that Hairvivi does offer, and I didn't even know that they offered it. I think it's something new. If it's not new, it's new to me. I'm just now finding out about it, and I want to share it with you guys because some of you may not know, like I didn't know, of course. So Hairvivi does offer a customization page, okay, where you can customize your wig pretty much the way you want it. Let's say you were coming up on a special occasion and you had like a picture of the way you wanted your wig. You could send in that wig, let's say wedding, baby shower, graduation. If you see, and let's say you go on a stylist page like, dang, I want my hair like that, but I want it in wig form, they can pretty much transform almost any wig the way that you want it. Just like if you were to get a wig like this and let's say you wanted color in it, you just kind of tell them what you want and they can put it together for you. I feel like that is a really good marketing technique. I feel like it's a really good thing to just overall do, because I know that it's been a lot of times I've seen certain styles that I wanted before I got into, you know, just really reviewing. I seen certain styles that I wanted and certain things that I wanted to do. Also, I talk to people who want their hair like this, or they want their hair like that, but they don't want their real hair like that. They want a wig. You know what I'm saying? Some people are like, oh, my a wig could never be made like that. Baby, look. Can you see it? Can you see it? Okay, so whatever style you would like, let's say you wanted this, but maybe you wanted it in a short bob, or you just wanted some braids in the front, or you wanted some braids on the side. Like I said, they can customize it how you want. I will leave that website and everything, well, that link down below. It's on their website, but there is a link that you guys can follow too if you wanted a customized wig. All right, so I think that, like I said, I think that it's a great idea. This wig it's ready to go. It's of course beginner wig friendly. All Hairvivi wigs are beginner wig friendly. Okay, you just take them out the box and you put them on. There's no surprises. It's not that, oh, they just giving the gurus the hair, like, no, it's everyone. You guys can go read reviews and look at other videos. This is how you get the wig. You are going to pay. You pay for what you get, and I say this in every video as well. You're going to pay for it. All right, you pay for the convenience, and that's with anything that you do. You buy a house, you pay for the convenience. If you want it to already come fully furnished, you're gonna pay a little extra than paying for a house that's empty. Okay, and vice versa. It's with anything. You pay for the convenience, you pay to be comfortable, you pay for the ease of things, and you're going to pay for the ease of a wig. If you want a wig, you could just put on, no bleaching, no dyeing, no plucking, none of that, then hey, like I said, you get what you pay for. It does come with the fake scalp. It comes with the improved fake scalp, so you don't have to worry about ripping, tearing, or anything like that. Okay, so that does come with that. If you guys don't really know what I'm talking about when I say the fake scalp, I do mean that it comes with a built-in wig cap, so you do not have to wear a wig cap if you do not want to wear a wig cap. If a wig cap really isn't your thing, or whatever the case may be, you absolutely do not have to wear one. Me, I kind of have to. My hair is so long and it's so just sometimes unmanageable, so whenever I do not wear a wig cap, because I know some of y'all like, it comes with a built-in wig cap, why you have a wig cap on? I never take my wig cap off, guys. It has nothing to do with the wig. I already have one built in. I'm glad it's one already built in, because it can hold its hair down a little bit more. But my hair is so long, when I try not to wear a wig cap, my braids be all sticking out, and it's just too much to tame. Okay, but like I said, you do not have to wear one if you don't want to. Some people say, is the wig cap gonna match my head? Yes, it's pretty much transparent, so it matches a lot of skin tones. Also, some people say, is it going to be too hot? You know, no, the fabric is breathable, so you don't have to worry about it being too hot. You don't have to worry about it being unmanageable or anything like that. Okay, so I'm trying to make sure I'm touching on everything that people I read in different comments on different sites, and even in my comments too. So like I said, you don't have to worry about any of that. You don't have to worry about a lot with this wig. Okay, maybe the prices of some of the wigs and some of the things, but you shouldn't really have to worry about that, because it is an investment and it is something that's going to last you. Okay, I would say that if you do want a protective style or anything like that, I think that this would be the wig for you. Not if you don't like this particular style, they have plenty of styles. Okay, I will leave all the links and all the specs and everything down below. I think I hit on every topic. If I didn't, please leave it down below and we'll discuss in the comments. Have you ever tried this company? Will you be trying this company? Are you kind of on the fence? You know, just let me know, and everything will be down below. I think that's pretty much it, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.